Hyundai Touring 2010. Dual overhead cam. We're gonna replace the pads. We need to remove, well, not remove, let this bleeder loose and remove this bolt on the bottom. Vamos a cambiar los pads, vamos a aflojar este purgador y este tornillo lo vamos a quitar para poder levantar el caliper, y este lo vamos a aflojar para regresar el pistón hacia adentro y que no se vaya la suciedad para adentro. Ok, vamos a ver. Let's push the piston in there. Vamos empujando el pistón hacia adentro. Esto va a prevenir que no se nos vaya la suciedad que está aquí en el pistón hacia adentro y nos dañe el ABS module, el módulo de antibloqueo. See, this if we open this bleeder, that's gonna prevent that all this dirt that it's created in here doesn't go in there or back in there into the ABS module. See, we don't want to have problems with that. Okay. Now let's remove this bottom bolt. Lift the caliper and remove the pads. Okay, let's remove these ones. Okay, let's put the new clamps in here. Backwards. Right there. And let's put the pads. Remember, this one with the indicator needs to go on the inside part. See? Right there. And this one with no indicator on the outside. Sí, la que lleva la laminita esta para que indique cuando se están acabando las balatas va en la parte de adentro y este otro va en la parte de afuera. Y es todo. Vamos a poner el tornillo. Let's put the bolt. Get it tight. That's it. Okay, don't forget to pump the brakes. Okay, let's go to the other side. Right here. Right there. Okay. Okay. Now let's get this one tight. See, it's dripping. It's dripping, so let's get this one tight. Vamos a apretarlo ahorita que ya está goteando. Okay. That's it. Let's put our pan out of here. Now let's remove this bolt. I got this bolt loose already. See? That's it. Ok, tengo aquí mis pastillas, pero antes vamos a ponerlos estos para que no haga ruido. Oops, backwards. Ok. This one. Okay, that's it. Put this one. Right there. Don't forget to pump the brakes. Let's pump the brakes and refill the reservoir. See? That's it.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.